There's a tiny 2-second trick that can instantly make people respect you. It's so simple you'll almost laugh. But once you see it, you can never unsee it. The 2-second rule is simple. Whenever you enter a room, whenever you meet someone new, whenever you're about to speak in front of a crowd, pause. Not for 10 seconds, not for 5 minutes. Just 2 seconds. You walk in, you look around, you hold eye contact, and you say absolutely nothing. And in those 2 seconds, you dominate the entire energy of the room. Why? Because most people rush. Think about it. When you're nervous, you talk fast. You fidget. You try to fill the silence because you're uncomfortable. Ever seen someone give a presentation and immediately blurt out, "Hey guys, so today I'm gonna talk about..." You can feel their nerves. But then you see a leader walk in. They don't even speak at first. They just stand, calm, unbothered. Their silence speaks louder than words. You can't help but think, this person matters. That's the power of the pause. Psychologically, humans are wired to read behavior faster than speech. Before your first word, your brain has already sent thousands of microsignals. Movement, eye contact, posture. When you hold still for just 2 seconds, you signal control. And control equals respect. Animals do it too. The most dominant wolf doesn't bark first. He just stands, fearless. The same principle applies to you. Whether you're in a meeting, a date, an interview, that tiny pause tells everyone without you saying anything, I'm not here to prove myself. I'm here because I belong. Next time you walk into a room, don't rush to speak. Step in, breathe, hold the silence. Feel the room adjust to you. 2 seconds. That's all it takes to flip the balance of power. To stand out without even trying. To be the calm force in a world full of noise. Silence isn't weakness. It's strategy. Master the pause, and you'll master the room. 2 seconds. Infinite impact.